industry remains as a strong opportunity in the Philippines. The only challenge is to be constantly good and innovative to win the Filipinos' demanding appetite. Hello, Go Negosyantes! Ako si Michelangelo, ang kasama ninyo sa pagtuklas ng mga winning Go Negosyo attitudes ng ating mga small and medium entrepreneurs. Welcome to a new day full of inspiration and practical business tips. This is SME Go on Rappler.
Let's go!
Food trip na hit, let's go at bisitahin natin ang Mercato Central at alamin ang success story mula sa ever-supportive Go Negosyo advocate na walang iba kundi ang celebrity entrepreneur na si RJ Ledesma. Mula sa makulay na buhay pag-aartista, paano nga ba nagsimula ang interest niya sa pagnenegosyo? Lahat ng yan at iba pang kwentong positibo dito lang sa SME Go, powered by Go Negosyo. Kilala ka bilang artista, alam natin yan, at magaling na host. Paano ka naman napunta sa pagnenegosyo? What inspired you to become an entrepreneur?
Actually, yung sinimulan ko yung entrepreneurship, kagaya ni Sir Joey rin, dapat yung background sa bahay o yung atmosphere ng family is really entrepreneurial as well. Kasi kahit nung bata pa ako, maraming iba't ibang negosyo pinusukan ng daddy ko. So, mga penamak shop, shipping siya, nag-prawn farming, nagbenta-benta ng Wikipedia. So parang nasanay yung kumbaga yung pananaw ko sa buhay na dapat laging entrepreneurial, lagi ka naghahanap ng mga oportunidad. At yung maganda pag-entrepreneur kasi hawak mo lahat ng oras mo.
Tama.
So yung nangyari noon, kaya nakabalik ako sa kumbaga entertainment and show business, nag-hosting ako. Kasi di ba sinasabi naman sa Go Negosyo, hindi naman lagi kailangan may pera yung ginagawa mo. Yung puhunan mo pwede mo yung abilidad. Para sa akin, yung puhunan ko yung laway ko. Para ikaw, laway natin yung laway. So, yung puhunan natin yung laway. So,
yan ang mahal sa atin, laway.
Yan, mahal yung laway namin. Pintas ng laway mo lang, mga ilang piso na yan.
Mga 20,000 yan.
Diba? Ganyan yan, di ba?
Kaya hindi ka tumatalas yan.
Pero dahil sa akin talaga yung may entrepreneurial spirit, may entrepreneurial drive, dyan na mula yung aking negosyong Mercato Central.
Okay, at yan na mag-uusapan natin maya-maya. Pero bago ko lumaktaw doon, sa konteksto sa Pilipinas, in the Philippine setting, why do you think it's important to foster entrepreneurship?
The only way for us to break out of our, una-una sinasabi lang ni Joey, out of our poverty mindset, is negosyo. It's not only that one, parang you like the idea na you are in control of your life.
That's right.
In control of your business. Parang sa akin, in my little way, I'm helping grow the country by building new entrepreneurs and new businesses. Para sa akin, importante yan. And I think entrepreneurship is my way, like our way, of giving back to God. This is our way of sanctifying ourselves. Diba? Kasi this is the skill na binigay sa atin ng Diyos na para palaguin yung aming, we have to improve on our skill level. And the skill that God gave me was to be an entrepreneur and a host. And it's to do my best in this field.
At maganda yung sinabi mo, pare, kasi whenever we do good work, especially creative and hard work, we continue the creative hand of God. Hindi natatapos ang creation. Ang merkato ay isang salitang Italiano na ang ibig sabihin ay market o tindahan. What is Mercato Central? Paano ito nagsimula?
Yung Mercato Central, ito ay isang night food market. Yan talaga yung night food market na kung saan kung ikaw ay bibisita, it's open every weekend. Talagang malaking selection of great tasting and affordable food.
Okay.
Pero yung Mercato talaga ay isang food entrepreneurship incubator. Yan yung natutunan ko mula sa Go Negosyo. Diba?
Okay.
Kanina ako ay isang Go Negosyo advocate dahil dito ako natutunan ng isang entrepreneur. Nagkaroon ng bituka ng isang entrepreneur dito sa Go Negosyo. At tapang. At the same time, pag kami ay bumisita sa ibang bansa, ako po isang journalist. So I get to go to mga media familiarization tours ng ibang bansa. Yung unang lugar kung saan kami dinadala ay sa mga food market. Diba? Mga tourist food market. Kung ikaw ay pupunta sa Singapore, Lau Pa Sat yan. Kung ikaw ay pupunta sa Taiwan, Shilin yan. Sa Bangkok, Chatuchak Market. At sabi namin, bakit dito sa Pilipinas, wala tayong equivalent na night food market na pwedeng puntahan ng hindi lang yung mga local, kundi yung mga dayuhan? Hindi ba sinasabi lang ni Jim Pang Slapit sa atin sa Bonegosyo, your irritation will become your inspiration. So yun yung naging irritasyon namin. Bakit walang negosyong ganito dito sa Pilipinas? So, pwedeng kumain na late na magaganda yung mga choices. Hindi lang convenience stores yung mga choices mo sa gabi. Kumbaga, a lot of choices. So, at a few months later, nabuo na yung Mercato Central. So from that idea, you know, it grew. You know, for me, the most kumbaga, the most joyous moment niyan. Isang beses nakatayo lang ako dyan, nakita ko, ang daming taong pumapasok. Sabi ko, my goodness, ito palang ginawa namin. God is good all the time.
Have you imagined that this will grow big? Ikaw na nga nagsabi ka na parang, dahil pumapasok.
Di ako makapaniwala.
Parang may prayer meeting.
No. Di ako makapaniwala. Nung una sabi ko, akala ko, gawa-gawa lang namin yan, di ba? Fan lang to, di ba? Then biglang, dumadami na, may kapit na, may traction, di ba? Sa English may traction na, dumadami na. Then we saw people were asking, can you open up here? Can you open up here? And then so more and more people started to come. So nakita namin that, you know, it was really a need that we were fulfilling.
How does it feel that you see that the business is really blooming, it's so successful as it is today?
It's both satisfying and also very challenging. Siyempre, gusto mo lagi mag-level up ka, diba? You cannot, sa English nga, you cannot rest on your laurels.
Innovator evaporate.
Exactly. So, ginagawa namin lagi ni Anton, yung kagandahan dyan, kami dalawa ay may corporate background, so we're always pushing, what's the next big thing after this one? We cannot stop here.
Do you still remember the first day of Mercato ng operation? How was it?
Na-stress ako dyan kasi yung first day, pinapagawa pa namin yung tent namin. Hindi pa tapos. 12 midnight na. Hindi pa gawa yung tent namin. So sabi ko, yari ito. Kung makita ng mga tao, mapapagalitan tayo. Masusulat ko sa social media, lahat-lahat. Buti na lang, we had to rely on the quality of the vendors who we brought in. At the same time, magaling yung hatak talaga ni Anton, yung aking partner sa social media. At ako naman, sa word of mouth naman ako, may konting hatak naman.
Those challenges that you have encountered, how did you manage na ang Mercato ay ito pa rin at nagawan mo ng paraan?
The biggest obstacle really is, it's actually not an obstacle, but it's actually always an
opportunity.
To learn from the failures that you have. And siyempre, as time goes on, na ma-minimize na lang yung mga failures mo kasi pag every time you fail, pera yan eh. Di ba? Pera yan. But you have to be, you know, entrepreneur yan. So, isang characteristic ng entrepreneur is risk taker talaga. So, you know, if you don't do it, you'll never do it. Or else, you will suffer na tinatawag sa English, analysis paralysis.
That's right. Di ka na makakagalaw. Maliban sa kakaiba at masasarap na pagkain, ang Mercato Central ay mayroon ding mga activities tulad ng cooking demonstrations at live entertainment na kasama sa binabalik-balikan ng mga customers. Now, how do you manage competition?
First, to analyze the competition, to understand what they're doing, to understand kung sustainable sila, and to also pick up what is good about them.
Ano naman ang maipapayo mo doon sa mga kababayan nating nanonood sa atin ngayon at nangangarap na umangat din ang buhay nila sa pagnenegosyo?
Okay. Ako una-una, yung pagdating sa inspirasyon, you can find inspiration anywhere. Yung pinaka-importante sa ating lahat, alam natin ito, Mike, sinasabi lagi sa Bonegosyo, entrepreneurial mindset.
Yes.
Dapat yung pananaw mo sa buhay, entrepreneurial. Ibig sabihin, wherever you look, there is always an opportunity. Dapat bukas yung isipan mo para makita yung opportunity dyan na nasa kapaligiran mo lang, di ba? It's very easy to find it, but you have to open up your mind.
The food industry is a promising path to take on, especially in the Philippines. Alam niyo naman tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa pagkain. At ang food trip ay isang napakagandang banding, mapapamilya, mapabarkada o couples man yan. Yun nga lang, kailangan lang natin bigyan ng kakaibang atake, gaya ng ginawa ni RJ Ledesma sa Mercato Central. Catch the full story on SME Go, powered by Bonegosyo, this Tuesday, 7 to 8 p.m. on PTV4. Once again, this is Michelangelo, and this has been SME Go on Rappler.